Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you want to connect maps to your Toyota Corolla, you might be wondering why navigation doesn't appear on your car screen automatically. Many users expect built-in maps to work right away, but in most cases, you need to connect your smartphone using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Without that connection, your navigation apps won't show up on the infotainment system. This can feel confusing if you're not sure which method your Corolla supports or how to enable it. The good thing is that once you set it up correctly, you can use Google Maps, Apple Maps, or other navigation apps directly on your car display, making driving easier and more convenient. Try these. Step 1. Check if your Toyota Corolla supports Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Step 2. Connect your phone using a USB cable. Step 3. Turn on your car and open the infotainment system. Step 4. Allow permissions on your phone for CarPlay or Android Auto. Step 5. Open your preferred Maps app. Step 6. Start navigation and view directions on the car screen.